Hello everyone, so NotebookLM just got a major update with Nano Banana plus NotebookLM. So you can use Nano Banana to create video overviews in NotebookLM. So they just added 6 styles for video overviews, like the whiteboard video that we created in NotebookLM. As you can see, you can now use retro paint, and you can also create heritage style video overviews with NotebookLM. And when you try to create a video with NotebookLM, this is how it's going to be look when you try to add some documents or PDF. And this is the visual is going to be great now because it's going to use Nano Banana art style on your NotebookLM videos. So let me show you how to use that. First, you just need to come to your NotebookLM account. If you don't have a NotebookLM, just search for it and just log in with your Gmail account. Now, I'm going to show you a simple example. So just click on this create new notebook. So I have already created a notebook here with NotebookLM Video Overview. So what I did is just go to this NotebookLM update blog here, and I just copy this link and I just go to this add option and click on right side, and I just paste this and click insert. So after that, this give me this brief overview to the NotebookLM as we use. So for the video overview, just need to click on this customization option. And now you get explainer option and brief option. A brief option is like a bite-sized overview to help you quickly grasp core ideas from your sources. So it's going to be a 1 or 2 minute videos, and the explainer maybe 6 or 8 minute videos. And also you get to choose language here, whatever language that you want. So this is the new update. As you can see, this is the auto select, this is the classic, this is the whiteboard style, this is the watercolor, retro pen, heritage, papercraft, and even they got an anime style. So the images are going to be used with Nano Banana model, and these are the style. So let me just choose the anime style, and for example, I'm going to choose brief here. And also you can point out what should the AI host or the video going to be focused. Explain anything here, but for the example, I'm just going to click generate, and it's going to start to generate your video. Maybe it's going to take 5 to 10 minutes, so you just have to wait. So I'm going to skip the video and show you how the video is generated. So our video has been ready. Let's see the video here. So you just need to click on this play button. Let's see the video.
Okay, NotebookLM's video overviews just got a huge creative upgrade thanks to a new model called drowning in a super dense document, trying to make sense of it all, and visual with this brand new update. It's all powered by a new Gemini image model and 6 totally new visual styles. It's not just about how it looks. You also get 2 different ways to actually watch the video for the full story, or the new brief for just specific parts, like just the cost analysis section. It's about learning, so you get it. You can get your hands on this really soon. It's rolling out to pro users. Even tell it to focus a few clicks, pick your sources, choose your style, and let it do its thing. You can even tell it to focus on specific parts, like just the cost analysis section. Question is, what are you going to bring to life first?
So you can see now the visual is now more engaging, and you can use this for free. And if you use this for your documents or learning, you can use other style to create your videos, and you can learn in a fun way. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to show you about the NotebookLM update. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.